Today on Western Roundup, we visit Westgate Hills in St. James where a new replacement storage tank was commissioned into service. Then we head down to Jarrett Park where the homeless community in St. James benefited from a homeless wellness day of care. Stick around. There was excitement among the residents of Westgate Hills in Montego Bay, St. James, when a 100,000-gallon storage tank was commissioned into service. The water system replaces a defective and inefficient tank that has been out of service for some years.
We were badly affected when water went, and there were no recourse to say when this water going to return. So we are quite happy to see something like this open up in our community. Finally, we can be set easy to say no more water cuts. So we thank the Water Commission for making this possible.
I actually welcome this, the commissioning of the tank, because for years we have suffered because of the lack of water in the area. To the extent where we had property damage as a result of the tank not working. So we really welcome this commissioning today, where we will be able to have free water flowing in our pipes. We really welcome it.
The new tank, which is glass fused to steel, requires minimal maintenance. It also features a white interior coating that allows for easier visual inspection and an outer coating that will prevent fading, cracks, or peeling. The system is expected to reduce energy consumption and result in the reduction of downtime of the Westgate Hills distribution network. The Westgate Hills No. 2 storage replacement tank was erected at a cost of $30 million under the Tank and Pump Rehabilitation for Operational Efficiency Improvement Program at the National Water Commission (NWC). The tank was commissioned by Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Senator the Honorable Matthew Samuda. Still in St. James, the homeless community was recently feted by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development through its Homeless Wellness Day of Care held at Jarrett Park. The event, which included participation from various state agencies, was well received by both the homeless community and other participating individuals.
It's a lovely look today. It's very important towards helping the poor and needy. It's also a good look for the environment and the future to come. Yes, the look is lovely. It also says that we are going in a forward direction, so we are eradicating poverty in a way. So that's a good look. Yeah.
I'm here today seeing what is happening here. Somebody is taking care of the poor and needy, and I love that feedback. Nobody have to look down on themselves too low that they can't take what is given to them here today. I hope they may have many more. I can see that this government is pushing forward along with private sectors, and I'm pleased.
The beneficiaries were treated to a hot meal and received health and wellness checkups. They were also introduced to entities such as the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, where they can benefit from existing programs. That's all for the program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, stay safe.